Hello and welcome back. Let us move to the last module of this chapter. This is your last practical question for this particular chapter, admission of partner. ये क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 आपके बुकलेट में. पढ़ लेते हैं क्वेश्चन, मार्किंग कर लेते हैं and then we'll start solving it. So here we go. This is the question we have. Tanvi and Bhavya were in partnership sharing profit and losses in proportion of 3:2. Balance sheet is as follows. So this is the balance sheet. We have capital accounts of partners. We also have current accounts of partners. Okay. Now, if we are having current account, obviously we will not be preparing separately capital account. We will prepare current account itself. Here we go. When current accounts are given, capital accounts are fixed. So this is a fixed capital method, first of all. Then secondly, all adjustments relating to partners are done through current account. As we are preparing current account, fixed capital itself means capital amount should not change again and again frequently. So that is the reason we are opening separate account called as current account. So all the adjustments relating to partner we're going to have in current account. No need to draw capital account, prepare partners current account itself. Okay. So whatever amounts we have, these will be the opening balances for current accounts. We will be preparing current account straight away. Now, as far as the liabilities are concerned, also we have loan from Ajit. Ajit is not a partner, so this is not a partner's loan, this is outsider's loan. Then creditors. On asset side, we have premises, furniture and fixtures, stock, debtor and cash at bank. These are the assets we have, amounts are given. Now, we'll go for adjustments. First of all, it is mentioned on 1st April 2023, Prem was admitted to the firm on following terms. So here we go, premises were valued at 85,000. So premises is revalued, how much it should be and where we will write, we all know that. So first we'll take premises, we have adjustment on it. Then furniture fixtures 5,200. So again there is a revaluation in furniture, we'll mark it. Then we have provision for bad debts, look at it, provision for bad debts 500. So we'll mark debtors. Stock should be revalued at 14,500. So all the assets have revaluations, some or the other adjustment. We have marked everything. Now, moving further, second adjustment, Prem should bring 20,000 as capital and 5,000 as its share of goodwill, and it was retained in the business and he should be given 1/4 share in future profits. A big adjustment we have capital as well. So what will be the entry for capital? It would be bank to Prem's capital, right? Then moving further, about goodwill, it is clearly mentioned Prem is bringing his share of goodwill. So that means partner is paying premium, new partner is paying premium. So the entry would be bank to goodwill, goodwill to old partners. It will be distributed in old partners in sacrifice ratio. So this treatment 1, for your understanding, this is treatment 1 of goodwill, whatever theory part we have done. Now in treatment 1, we also have a further adjustment, that is, if the partner is withdrawing that amount of goodwill. But here in this question, it is clearly mentioned that it was retained in the business. So there is nothing about withdrawal. Okay, so this is what we have to write for treatment of goodwill, and then we'll move forward. Here we go. Now, moving further, let us have a next adjustment. The loan from Ajit was repaid through NEFT. So again, we'll mark Ajit's loan. Then the next one is unrecorded computer, valued at 5,000, not appearing in books of firm. It is now to be recorded. It is now to be recorded. That is what it is mentioned. So obviously it is unrecorded asset. So if we are gonna record it, it will be shown on asset side of balance sheet. And also, as this was unrecorded earlier, now we are recording it. It is as good as increase in asset. So it's going to be profit for the firm. So we'll record it in revaluation account on credit as well. So these are the two effects we're going to have for this adjustment. Now, what it is mentioned? Prepare profit loss adjustment account, partner's current account and balance sheet of the new firm. So like I said, there should not be any capital account as we have current account. We'll be preparing current account and then we'll prepare balance sheet. So P&L adjustment, this is the ruling you have to do. Pause your video, start ruling. Once you complete the format, again resume. Okay. So here we go. Profit loss adjustment account. We also have partner's current account instead of partner's capital account. And then we're going to have balance sheet. Obviously, bank account is to be prepared. If you don't want to prepare bank account, you can show it in balance sheet in inner column, whatever plus minus you have to do in bank balance or cash balance, whatever it is mentioned in question. So bank account, we are preparing extra as a working note. You can prepare it, or like I said, in balance sheet itself you can show the calculations for cash bank balances. Now let us go further. What first we have? So firstly, on asset side we are having premises, but before going for the actual solution, like I have told you, whatever leisure accounts we have, we're gonna write opening balances for those leisure accounts. So for revaluation account or profit loss adjustment account, as it is new account, we don't have any opening balance. For current account, we're gonna write opening balance. Obviously current account is on liability side, so we're gonna write it on credit side of current account. By balance brought down, Tanvi is having 600 and Bhavya is having 700 as a opening balance. Okay, here we go. Moving forward, we also have prepared bank account. So बैंक अकाउंट में भी ओपनिंग बैलेंस लिखना पड़ेगा. कैश एट बैंक हमें दिया है 550, so उसका ओपनिंग बैलेंस आएगा डेबिट साइड ऑफ बैंक अकाउंट. We'll write two balance brought down, amount is 550. Now let us start with the solution of it. Here we go. Premises 70,000. Premises we have adjustment, we have tick marked it. So premises का adjustment क्या है? Were valued at 85,000. 70,000 का 85,000 हो रहा है. 15,000 का increase है premises में. So first of all, on asset side we'll write premises 70,000, but the revaluation is of 85,000. So obviously we understand there is a appreciation in the value of premises, which is 15,000. As the asset is increasing, it's going to be a profit. So second effect will be on revaluation account or profit loss adjustment account on credit side. Look at it. By premises, the amount would be 15,000. Whatever the revalued amount we have, that we will be writing. Okay. Now, like the difference we will be writing, not revalued amount, but the difference. Okay. Moving forward, furniture and fixture 5,700. It is decreasing. 5,200 हो रहा है. So लिखते हैं पहले balance sheet asset side में furniture fixture inner column 5,700. The value given is 5,200. So it is depreciating by 500 obviously. So outer column 5,200. As the asset is depreciating, asset ka value is going down. So it is loss for the firm. So we'll write it in revaluation or P&L adjustment account debit side to furniture fixture amount 500. Moving further to the next asset, which is stock. Stock is 13,500, but clearly mentioned it should be revalued at 14,500. So 1,000 say stock is increasing. We'll write it in asset side first. The increase we have recorded and the revalued amount in outer column. Then as it is a profit, asset increases. So revaluation account or P&L adjustment account on credit side, we'll write 1,000 for stock. Moving to debtors. Debtors के लिए हमें clearly बोला है bad debts debtors पे रखना है, provision for bad debts which is 500. So debtor का value कम होगा उसके वजह से. We'll show it on asset side. Debtors inner column 4,550. Also we have RDD which is 500. So 4,050 in outer column. As the value of debtors are decreasing, it is a loss. P&L adjustment account debit side पे हम लिखेंगे to RDD amount है 500. So these are the basic adjustments we have over the assets. Now moving forward for let us go for liability side. Liability में पहला है capital. So capital, तन्वी का capital लिखेंगे inner column, भव्य का capital inner column, total outer column. ये directly outer में आया बहुत time के बाद. क्यों? क्योंकि current account करने बोला है. So capital will be fixed. So इसीलिए उसका total लेंगे. फिर हमें बोला है लोन फ्रॉम अजीत. अभी अजीत का जो लोन था 10,000, वो बोला है पूरा पे कर दिया, फुल्ली रीपेड. सो विल राइट 10,000 एज रीपेड एंड दैट अमाउंट आउटर कॉलम में आएगा 0, क्योंकि 10,000 minus 10,000 obviously. So this is a nil effect we are giving here for loan. Now moving forward, as we have repaid loan, इसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट हमें सोचना पड़ेगा. अच्छा लाइबिलिटी से तो हमने हटा दिया उसको, बट वी हैव पेड इट, दैट मींस बैंक बैलेंस अफेक्ट होगा और इसीलिए हम बैंक के क्रेडिट साइड में बैंक बैलेंस कम होगा तो बैंक के क्रेडिट में लिखेंगे बाय अजीत लोन अमाउंट 10,000. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, करंट अकाउंट का बैलेंस तो हमने लिख लिया है, अजीत लोन का एडजस्टमेंट हो गया है. क्रेडिटर्स, देयर इज नो एडजस्टमेंट फॉर क्रेडिटर्स. तो अगर कोई एडजस्टमेंट नहीं है तो हम क्या करते हैं? यस यू आर राइट, हम सेम अमाउंट लिखेंगे ऑन लाइबिलिटी साइड. सो क्रेडिटर्स का जो भी अमाउंट हमें दिया था ओल्ड बैलेंस शीट में, वही हमने न्यू बैलेंस शीट में लिख दिया, एज देयर इज नो एडजस्टमेंट फॉर क्रेडिटर्स. हियर वी गो. अभी बैलेंस शीट से रिलेटेड जितना भी आइटम्स था हमने उसको लिख के उसका एडजस्टमेंट्स भी कंप्लीट किया, बट नाउ व्हाटएवर रिमेनिंग एडजस्टमेंट्स वी हैव विल चेक इट एंड विल स्टार्ट डूइंग इट। ये वापस इफेक्ट आ गया क्रेडिटर का, इट इज ओके, कभी कभी सेंटी हो जाता है। प्रेम शुड ब्रिंग 20,000 एज कैपिटल। प्रेम 20,000 का कैपिटल लेके आ रहा है, सो ऑब्वियसली एंट्री वुड बी बैंक टू प्रेम्स कैपिटल। सो बैंक के डेबिट में हमने लिखा टू प्रेम्स कैपिटल। सर अगर हमें बैंक अकाउंट नहीं करना है, जैसे आपने बोला हमें डायरेक्टली एसेट साइड में इसको दिखाना है, तो क्या करेंगे, जो जो बैंक के डेबिट में आ रहा है वो सब एसेट में आप प्लस करते जाओगे बैंक के नीचे इनर कॉलम में, और जो जो क्रेडिट में आ रहा है वो माइनस करते जाओगे। सो यू कैन शो इट ऑन एसेट साइड, बट वहां पे कैसा है तकलीफ, कितना लाइंस लगेगा, फिर बैंक के ऊपर क्या लिखने का, नीचे क्या लिखने का, कितना जगह एग्जैक्ट छोड़ने का, वो प्रॉब्लम होता है। दैट इज द रीजन वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग अ सेपरेट बैंक अकाउंट हियर। हाँ, एज इट इज नॉट मेंशन्ड इन क्वेश्चन वी आल्सो नो, बट वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग इट एज अ वर्किंग, सो वो करेक्टली हम बना पाए, बैंक बैलेंस करेक्ट डिराइव कर पाए इसके लिए। चलो अभी प्रेम का कैपिटल जो है ऑब्वियसली इन कैपिटल, इसलिए पहले टोटल नहीं लिया था। If you have recorded it, it is fine. You can separately write Prem's capital, but इसीलिए यहाँ पे पहले टोटल नहीं लिया, प्रेम का कैपिटल अभी ऐड करेंगे, then we'll take total in outer column which is 1 lakh. So revised partnership में क्या हो रहा है, तीनों का कैपिटल मिलके है 1 लाख, एंड एज इट इज फिक्स्ड हमने करंट अकाउंट बनाया है बाकी एडजस्टमेंट्स के लिए। चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। 5,000 वो गुडविल का शेयर भी दे रहा है, सो आपको पता है एडजस्टमेंट कैसे होगा। गुडविल का अगर हम एंट्री का बात करेंगे, सो गुडविल का एंट्री आएगा बैंक टू गुडविल पहले, सो बैंक के डेबिट में हम लिखेंगे टू गुडविल, और फिर आएगा गुडविल टू ओल्ड पार्टनर, सो कैपिटल के क्रेडिट में हम लिखेंगे बाय गुडविल। देखो जो भी ओल्ड पार्टनर्स है उनमें तन्वी दिस शुड बी तन्वीज करंट अकाउंट एंड भव्यस करंट अकाउंट। 5,000 को सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो में हमें डिवाइड करना है, विच इज 3:2। व्हाई? बिकॉज नथिंग एल्स इज गिवन, सो व्हेन नथिंग एल्स इज गिवन योर ओल्ड पीएसआर इटसेल्फ इज योर SR, sacrifice ratio। ये बहुत बार हमने बात कर लिया अभी। So similarly, we are writing here 3:2, that is 3,000 and 2,000. So this is the journal entry we have for goodwill treatment. Now we'll start posting. So like we have discussed, goodwill लिखेंगे बैंक के डेबिट में for this entry. Goodwill it is 5,000 and then we don't have goodwill accounts. Okay. So बैंक में हमने posting किया, अभी current account में posting करेंगे। So on current account, on credit side we'll be writing by goodwill, amount हमें पता है 3,000 and 2,000, so we'll write in Tanvi and Bhavya। इसके बाद moving forward, आगे क्या है ये देखो, unrecorded computer valued 5,000 not appearing in books but now it should be recorded, ऐसा clearly बोला है। so asset side में हमें कंप्यूटर लिखना पड़ेगा और फिर हम उसका सेकंड इफेक्ट देंगे। so asset में लिखा कंप्यूटर amount 5,000, as this increase in value of asset this profit, so revaluation या P&L adjustment account आप बोल लो, उसके क्रेडिट में भी हम लिखेंगे by computer amount is 5,000। now I hope we are done with all the adjustments, now we'll start balancing our leisure accounts। so सबसे पहला है P&L adjustment, उसका बैलेंस करेंगे। so total comes to 21,000। ये देखो ये साइड टोटल ज्यादा है, so 21,000 will record it on debit side as well, उसमें से 1,000 rupees माइनस करना है। so 20,000 gonna be the balance as it is on debit side, as the balance we are writing on debit side, this is a credit balance, that means it is revaluation profit, it will be divided in old partners in their old ratio। so 20,000 would be divided in Tanvi and Bhavya in their ratio 3:2, so it is 12,000, 8,000, this would be transferred to current account। now I hope you have got this कि यहाँ पे करंट अकाउंट लिखा है सर, क्योंकि ये फिक्स कैपिटल मेथड है, जो भी पार्टनर रिलेटेड एडजस्टमेंट रहेगा वो करंट अकाउंट में जाएगा। सो इन करंट अकाउंट आल्सो ऑन अपोजिट साइड, दैट इज ऑन क्रेडिट साइड, विल राइट बाय प्रॉफिट लॉस एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट 12,000, 8,000। नाउ विल बैलेंस करंट अकाउंट, विल चेक द बैलेंस फॉर करंट अकाउंट एज वेल। सो करंट अकाउंट में ऑब्वियसली डेबिट साइड पे तो कुछ है ही नहीं, सो टोटल वुड बी ऑफ क्रेडिट साइड। सो क्रेडिट में Tanvi's total 15,600, then Bhavya's total is 10,700। ये दोनों टोटल हमने यहाँ पे लिख लिया और सेम बैलेंस रहेगा क्योंकि डेबिट में कुछ था ही नहीं। सो जो टोटल है वही बैलेंस है, दिस बैलेंस कैरीड डाउन, दैट इटसेल्फ मींस दिस करंट अकाउंट विल शो इट ऑन बैलेंस शीट नाउ विच साइड। सो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज अ क्रेडिट बैलेंस, क्योंकि क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल हेवी है, ये क्रेडिट बैलेंस है जो डेबिट साइड पे लिखा है, दिस इज अ क्रेडिट बैलेंस, इसलिए लायबिलिटी साइड पे जाएगा। credit balance is liability, right? So balance sheet liability में now we will be writing these amounts 15,600 and 10,700. Here we go. Partners current account Tanvi and Bhavya 15,600 10,700, total outer में 26,300. अभी क्या करना है? सबसे मेन टास्क, we have to tally your balance sheet. एसेट और लाइबिलिटी का टोटल लेना है, बट इफ यू रिमेंबर हमने अलग से बैंक अकाउंट बनाया है. सो बिफोर टेकिंग टोटल ऑफ एसेट साइड यू हैव टू क्लोज दैट बैंक अकाउंट, गेट द बैलेंस हियर एंड देन स्टार्ट टोटलिंग. नहीं तो फिर टैली नहीं होगा. हाँ, अगर आपने बैंक यहां पे ही एडजस्टमेंट्स दिखाया है इनर कॉलम में, तो आपके पास रहेगा ही आउटर में अमाउंट. बट राइट नाउ वी हैव टू बैलेंस बैंक अकाउंट, तो पहले वो कर लेते हैं. ये देख लो 25,500 इज टोटल and the balance is 15,550, not 500, 550. So balance 15,550, ये हो गया क्लोजिंग बैलेंस जो हम लिखेंगे एसेट साइड पे. ये आ गया एसेट साइड पे 15,550, और फिर हमने टोटल कर दिया which is 129,300. सर टैली होगा कि नहीं? अगर मन साफ है, सब कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर है, तो 100% टैली होगा, डोंट वरी. So this is what we have for this particular question number 12. And here ends this module, this question as well as this chapter will be coming with the next chapter. Till then, keep on practicing whatever you have studied till now.